Are you gonna go get it? Adele sees Griffin's bone. She's gonna go get it. Look at her go, crawling. Alright, now Mommy has to go get the bone before she actually touches it. Oh, Griffin got it. Adele, you want to come back this way? Griffin's toy's over here. Nope, I'm going to go for the piano. Good girl. I think Adele is gonna be pretty fast.